Yeah, another one. Just sitting in the water. Ow, ow. Oh, and I was like, what the heck is going on? Look at that! Two at the same time. I think a couple more casts. I saw this one.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are fishing a small pond and catching some crappie. Stick around to see the most unique thing I've ever done while fishing.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight. Guess all that I do was easy to use. So
First, we have to get to the place I plan on fishing. And to get there, we have to cross this very low bridge.
Just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes.
They're here. They're bluegill. Right on the edge. They're nibbling. There it is. Little guy. Oh, you're not a bluegill. You're a little crappie. No, you're not. What the hell are you? Yeah, you're a little crappie. Yeah. No, I just ended up in the weeds where I didn't want to be. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I almost got my leg. Another! Oh, there's one.
Big one?
No, well, no. Oh, this one's a little bluegill. Huge, it's a monster.
Is your camera on?
It is this time. Nope, no. Relax. Stop it. I'm trying to release you to the wild. send it back. We'll recatch him. Fishy. No. Relax, relax. Stop. Relax. Yeah, another one. I have two. Just sitting in the water. Relax. Oh, and I was like, what the heck is going on? Look at that! Two at the same time. They are little. That's so funny. I think a couple more casts. I saw this one! Eat it! Relax! Chill. Chill. Oh, this one's bigger too. I don't know, this is definitely the biggest one of the day. Not big, but big adjacent? I don't know. For Michigan crappie, I don't know. They're all tied up and apparently so. Not often. That's for the last one. Yeah. Another one. Let go of my thumb. Got it? Yep, you're out of the way.
Go, 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 go. It's big, I guess.
Yeah.
Pull that up with the flip on.
Oh, I don't think there's anything here. Yeah. Careful from him, we'll get there.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small.
If you stayed to watch the whole thing, I appreciate it so much. Please like and subscribe if you like this content, and leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see me try or do next.
Live in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can